Sore throat keeping you up at night? Struggling to talk without that scratchy irritation? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today we're diving into the best natural remedies that work fast to soothe your throat and get you feeling better in no time. And stick around till the end. I'll be sharing a secret bonus tip that you don't want to miss. First, let's quickly cover what might be causing your sore throat. Some common culprits include viral infections, like colds or the flu, bacterial infections, like strep throat, allergies and post-nasal drip, acid reflux. Yep, heartburn can cause throat irritation, talking too much or shouting. Ever lost your voice after a concert? Yep, it happens. This one's an oldie, but a goodie. Salt water reduces swelling and flushes out irritants. Here's how you do it. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water. Stir until dissolved. Gargle for 30 seconds and spit it out. Repeat 2-3 times a day. Honey and lemon are a power duo for sore throats. Honey coats and soothes your throat, while lemon cuts through mucus. Here's the quick recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add to warm, not boiling water. Sip slowly and enjoy the relief. If you love tea, you're in luck. Some of the best teas for sore throats include ginger tea, anti-inflammatory, great for soothing irritation; peppermint tea, natural decongestant, helps clear mucus; chamomile tea, relaxes muscles, reduces throat pain. Just steep a tea bag or fresh herbs in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Add honey if you like and sip away. Here's my secret weapon, steam inhalation. It hydrates your throat and clears congestion fast. Just boil some water and pour it into a bowl. Add essential oils, eucalyptus or peppermint work wonders. Lean over the bowl, cover your head with a towel, and breathe deeply for 5-10 minutes. Most sore throats clear up on their own, but see a doctor if your sore throat lasts more than 2 weeks. You have difficulty breathing or swallowing, there's blood in your saliva, you have a high fever that won't go down. And that's it. My top remedies for instant sore throat relief. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out my next video on boosting your immune system. It's packed with even more health tips.